Girls, today we're going to learn how to make our very own picture graph. As y'all remember, last week we went over how to make a graph, but this time we're going to construct one using pictures. And our pictures are going to represent our data on the graph. Now, data is just a fancy word for information. So Miss Morris is going to tell us all about how we're going to collect our data.
Alright guys, so for our very own picture graph, we're going to use this back wall and we're going to taste our very own holiday treats. We're going to be tasting 3 different treats. Our first one is a sugar cookie. Then we're going to be tasting a candy cane. And then we're going to taste test some fudge. Yummy. So, these are just pictures of our items that we're going to be tasting. So what we're going to do is we're going to taste all 3 items and then you're going to pick your favorite. And once you pick your favorite, I'm going to hand you a card with your favorite treat on it and I'm going to collect those after you pick. So we're going to taste our treats now.
Good job, boys and girls. It looks like all of our data has been collected. Now we're going to put it all up on the board to see what kind of data we have.
We can watch our picture graph come to life right in front of us.
The first one I picked up, we have a candy cane.
Ooh, yummy.
We have a sugar cookie, boys and girls. This is Miss Kato's favorite. Now we have a fudge.
That's Miss Morris's favorite. Yummy.
We have yet another candy cane, boys and girls. How many candy canes do we have now? That's right, 2. Now we have another sugar cookie. We have another fudge. Boys and girls, what do we notice about our graph right now? That's right, they're all the same. We have 2 sugar cookies, 2 candy canes, and 2 pieces of fudge. Let's keep building our graph. We have another sugar cookie.
Well, now sugar cookies have the most because they have 3 and the other treats only have 2.
We have another candy cane.
Uh-oh,
candy cane's catching up. We have another fudge. Oh, we're back at a tie. We have yet another fudge. Miss Morris, look like the class and share your favorite.
Well, I hope so. I'll bring some in if they're good.
We have another sugar cookie. Oh, Miss Kato's catching up. Ooh. Another sugar cookie. One more candy cane, look at there. We have another piece of fudge. We have another sugar cookie.
Well, it's going to be close.
It's going to be very close. We have another piece of fudge. We have another sugar cookie. And another sugar cookie. Oh, Miss Morris, sugar cookies are becoming very popular in our class.
I wonder if we're going to have room on our graph for it.
We might not.
Well, let's see, boys and girls.
Last one, it's a sugar cookie.
Oh goodness. Boys and girls, now that all of our data is graphed on our picture graph, can we tell which holiday treat our class likes the most?
Well, boys and girls, the way to figure that out is we're going to look at the bottom here at all of our labels, and we see these are sugar cookies because they're pictures of sugar cookies, and these words also say sugar cookies. These are candy canes, and these are fudge. And we can line them up on the numbers on the left side of our graph, and we can just line them up, and we notice we have 10 sugar cookies, 4 candy canes, and 6 pieces of fudge. That is how we can read our picture graph.
And since we used pieces of paper that are the exact size, we can also just look at it and tell that sugar cookies has the most because it's the tallest one on our graph. All right? So now for our activity, you're each going to get to create your own picture graph. We're going to be doing favorite holiday activities. You're going to be given a baggie with cutouts of a snowman, a snowball, and a sled. And we're going to give you a chart, and it's going to have the numbers on the bottom of each section, letting you know how many to put in each section.
But before we do that, boys and girls, can you tell me which has the least on our picture graph? I just want to really make sure you have this before we do it on our own. That's right, boys and girls. The fewest are candy canes because there's only 4. Now, how about the second most? That's right, there's 6 pieces of fudge. So boys and girls, which one had the most? That's right, sugar cookies. So boys and girls, which one do you think will be the favorite Christmas activity? I don't know. We'll have to find out.